annual exhibition. Aditya Birla Public School present annual exhibition. Come, let's see. We are waiting for chief guest.
वीडियो बना रहे थे क्या?
These are the models.
नमस्कार सर, आई एम आयुषी चौबे और आप देख रहे हैं आज आदित्य बिरला पब्लिक स्कूल के परिसर में हमने शानदार विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया है। हमारे स्कूल का नाम न केवल शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में प्रसिद्ध है बल्कि यहाँ के छात्रों की सृजनात्मकता और शोध की दिशा में भी अपार सफलता रही है। और आज यहाँ पे छात्र छात्राओं ने अपने अद्भुत विज्ञान प्रोजेक्ट्स एवं खोजों का प्रदर्शन किया है जो कि आपको यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगा।
Students have made a very exciting project, so let's move forward. What's on display?
Sir, so here it is, yes sir, the moon rover prototype. Sir, the rover which is on the Chandrayaan, which will move on the moon surface. Sir, so it is having obstacle avoiding sensors. It is also phone control. Sir, it can also avoid obstacles. You have to put this. Wait a minute.
दे दो माइक.
If we move this circuit, then the vibration will go here, but the vibration can't come here. This shows that the earthquake, the vibration which will come down on the surface, it will not reach to the up on the house, due to which our house will be safe and we will be very safe and we will not get any disaster. In the disaster like in the Japan, it can be used very frequently for it can save the life of the people.
So by this project we can see that the students are not only learning the science, they are using it in their life to get rid of the problems.
But we created a working model by the help of which it will run like
Before it was a remote control, but someone break.
Do you have that hydraulic bridge? It is working.
yes sir, it is working model.
What is the working mode? Where it can be used?
It can be used on the sea when cargo ship across from here, it will be uplifted.
We are having in delivery. Thank you.
Wonderful project by machine team.
Good morning, sir. This is a game known as buzzer wire game. The buzzer wire game was invented by Robert Bob Simpson. He was a repairer of aeroplane in World War II when his friend John Babington asked for a best game for his garden party. So he came up with this tragic and patience level testing game. This is a game which starts from here. It is coined by here, which works with a buzzer. If you will move from here like this and by chance it gets touched, it will sound which says that you have lost. And if you will win, you will be getting the prize. Yes sir, it is a film. Would you like to try? Okay. Thank you sir.
Now the hemodialysis.
Yes, sir. So we are so that how hemodialysis is works.
माइक बताओ.
So sir,
Louder.
Agriculture days, and we can show it with the help of our teammate. She's listening and she's Tiwari. Now she'll tell the process. Solar power irrigation system is very effective and beneficial for the underprivileged farmers who don't have access to the electricity and are not able to pay the electricity bill. It is a one-time investment and can be used for long runs.
What about your project, sir? Same. Huh?
that's why we
Acha. So what is your project?
Cannot see everything.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mayank. My project name is water pump. I will explain four types of my water pump. Okay, water pump.
Very good. Next, this one. Can you demonstrate? Yes. Solar system. Very good. Wind mill. Very good. Okay. Very good. Excellent.
Sir, this is electricity. And bulb.
Yeah. Very good. Excellent.
Sir, my name is Arun.
You have placed the. Okay, by your work. Carbon purification. Start showing. Forget about name.
Air is burning that carbon heat of the surface will go. The cotton will absorb the carbon and it will
Very good. Keep walking.
Yes, sir.
Show me. Show me. Achha, air is coming here. Achha.
Amazing project.
Okay, next you are walking on the Okay, I got your point. Next, you walking model? Yes, I got. What is that? Show me this. How is it working? Show me this.
Let's first talk about the process.
Yeah.
The first process that the train. Yes, very quick. Yes. So this train brings the food over the station and then it is taken to the conveyor belt. After that, it is turned into bits and pieces, and after that, it is turned into bits and pieces, and after that, it is taken to furnace, which produces heat, and that heat helps the water to turn into steam. But let's talk about it from where that water went. The water went there from the lake. Now, after the energy created from there, it will help the turbine to move, and the energy went to transformer and then it went to building. The left energy was used in plant. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Wonderful.
You are in which standard?
8 standard.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Okay, sir. Who has made it? Sir, all three. All three of you?
Yes, sir.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Show me, what is the...
This is a conductor tester which is scientific what is go is go and scientific go is go but insulator cap is not go.
Very good. Next, is it working? Yes, sir. Show me. A little bit get side, beta. Little bit get side. Explain this. What?
So it gets inverted when it gets convection.
Okay, thank you, beta. Very good. Congratulations. Hey, Vidya, you are working on the tree cell.
As
Various stages of filtration, no?
yes.
So here you are getting purified water.
There are 5 chambers and every chamber contains different materials. Firstly, we have big stones, then small stones, thirdly, sand.
Tell me this thing. Wastewater treatment and the water which is coming, it is hard water or soft water? Soft water. No, hard water. Okay, thank you. Next, please carry on. Acha, okay, very good. Is it working model, Betty?
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
Vidya Rani. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Water conservation, no?
Yes, sir.
So from apartments you receive water, whatever water,
Yes,
that
sir.
same water is purified.
Yes, sir.
Very nice concept. Very good. Very good. And Betty, is it working model?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Quickly. Yeah.
Very nice concept. So let's move towards next model.
Sir, we have made an app with the help of coding. It is a step concept. First, I request you to download an app from the Google Store. That is MIT Companion. Will you please download it?
That will take some time. You can explain the concept. You explain. Suppose we have downloaded. Okay? We have downloaded. Suppose we have downloaded. Explain that. Now please tell me.
After that, we get this QR code. What is
QR code, then will come in iMobile, and after that we'll start counting the steps that we will suppose that this is the app, right, and I'm clicking start, and if I start, it will start counting. Yes, it will start counting. It has counted 5.
Sir, we have one more project. This is the table fan which works by converting electrical energy into kinetic energy, creating a cooling breeze through the spinning of its head.
Excellent. And surely you must also start working by downloading this app also, okay? Evening. Next, is it working better?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. When car pass through this road, then only light will start to glow. After, when there is no car, the light will stop. Means this is the saving of energy. Thank you, sir.
This is a
Carry on.
Then the laser will start working in this, and the family member got alerted that anyone is entering in our house, and come in the house. Yes. Sir, please.
Is it working better?
Yes.
Show me the function.
Good morning, sir. So, as we all know, every year many people die due to gas leakage. So, we have made a model which works from sensor. When the sensor will detect the smell of LPG gas, then the siren will start and all the family members will be alerted, and all the lights of the house will be cut off and ventilation will also on. So, all the gas can
LPG gas leakage and safety. Okay, very good.
You have to reach this end without touching the wires. In case you will give the reward chocolates.
Okay, game. Very nice. Rishabh, Pipa, Pitu. Just comment. And can you show me quick? What is that?
This is a rain detector alarm.
Rain detector. Rain detector.
Yes, sir.
Achha. Whenever there will be rain, then we will start it. Sir, they are disappointed.
दिखाए तो दिखाना चाहिए ना.
Please explain quick.
Basically, our project is on the topic how to revise burning waste material. So first, we have to burn the waste material here, and you can see the heating panel. They absorb the heat and then convert it into electricity. And there is one question that what we do for the pollution. So we have a carbon purifier which controls the emission of carbon and store it and then convert it into carbon roller, which can be used for anything. This is our project basically. Yes, sir.
You have to burn this one. No? Please let me see. Take care of it. Safety should be taken care of. It will burn here, heat energy will affect here, and it will produce the electricity, and the carbon particle it will be filtered. Very nice concept. Very good, excellent project. Let me see. Cover this area so that we can get the proper heat. Actually, that should be here.
It can burn and then we are
Let me see. Actually, I got your point.
Concept very nice.
Very nice concept.
देखना वो धागा में नहीं पकड़ेगा.
Because this heat actually that person is going there. Very good.
only small amount of it because we have to
I got your point. खर्चा उसको बंद करो उसको जल्दी excellent, good idea. Okay, good water model. Hydroelectricity. And we are an working model.
Yes, sir.
Show me. What is that? How it works? Please explain.
This is a model of carbon purification in which the carbon will purify through the cotton and water. The cotton and water in the container will purify the carbon and separate the dust particles from carbon dioxide. Then the purified carbon will be released from here.
What is this, Betty? Very good, Betty. Huh? Please. Newton's law. Okay. First, second, or third, which one you want to explain?
Sir,
Third law. Acha, okay. Third law is explain.
So it is Newton's fetter which states that every action has equal and opposite reaction.
Okay, I got your point. Okay, next, very good. Next, what is your question?
Namaskar, sir. Sir, we the students. I am Santika Chef and I am Nia Singh. And we are the students of class 7th and we made a model of telescope. It was invented by Hans Supersley in 1611 in Netherlands.
Madam, just try what they have. Can we there?
Yes, sir. It is IT, this is object. Basically, it is telescope. Beta, why are you so shy? Lift it up, beta. Sir, just you can see. Focus any object, sir.
Very nice. Working model, again carbon purifier. Okay, according to the area you have done with it, very good concept. This working model, Betty.
So, I am Harshika Tiwari from Standard 6A and these are my teammates.
Okay, your team, please.
This is a buzz wire game. If we will on this, if this circle will touch this wire, then the buzzer will turn on and it will turn. Now this is a conduction tester. If anything is a good conductor, then then the bulb will on, and after that, if it is not, the bulb will not glow. Like this nut, this is an conductor. That's why the bulb is burning.
Okay, good.
Basically, this you are testing whether it is conductor or not.
Conductor. Is it working model? Oh, very hard. Please tell me.
Good morning, sir. This is the model of human heart. It is the outer covering of our heart, which is made up of cardiac muscle, which is uninucleated and branched. And we are showing how our heart used to pump. And in next part, now we will demonstrate how the blood will move inside our heart.
Yes, please show me. Blood started flowing.
Yes. So in this manner, our blood used to flow inside the heart.
Venous blood, other side arterial blood.
Yes, sir.
Working model. Very good, Betty. Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Betty, is it working model?
artery then
Can you show us this
or unpurified?
Arteries are do not carry deoxygenated blood.
All the polluting gases, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and.
They release into the atmosphere and it is reacting to water and
Achha,
oxygen
oh, I
and
got it.
return back in the form of rain.
Yes. Is it working model? What is that?
This is rain safety device. When rain droplets come through the sensor and start giving some and the
Person will understand that rain has come. Okay, very good. Robert, yes, please explain, Robert.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, please louder.
Sir, I am Abulaj and these are my teammates. Sir, this is a robot. This is a robot. This consists of the features like it can go anywhere because we have used your wheels and it will speak anything what we will say. Thank you.
Yes.
Walking, show me.
Yes.
Aditya Birla Public School. Welcome to Aditya. I am Robert the Robot. My creators are Nikhil Shetty. I am
Surface is up, so we are.
What an exciting project.
Catch hold of the robot. He's getting back on foot. Very good.
Actually, the surface is not smooth, sir. That's why we are waiting.
Very good.
21st January 2020.
Excellent. Thank you, boys.
Thank you, sir.
They are in
Ma'am, your comments on this working model of art.
And all sides is equal. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Which project? This one, please, can you?
Good morning, sir. I am Darshil Das from Standard 6th A, and I am with my project, SRT project, SRT cover. SRT stands for Sarthi. Sarthi means in 18th and 19th century, the horse cart drivers are called Sarthi. They always take care of their owners. So this is the blind man stick for blind people. This will work like the Sarthi. We have fit so many sensors like this solar power sensor which operates all the battery and all the system. If the blind man, the main problem of our India is nobody is here to support a blind man. When he is walking on the street at night time, then he is not getting anybody help to cross the street. And probably there are some chance that any truck or any car can hit him. So we have fitted here solar light. It is a battery which is operated by the solar, and the main function of this battery is we have fitted two batteries here. If this one battery is dead, then we can use this one battery. Like here it is not working, then we can use this battery at the light. This if a blind person is even blind and even deaf, he can here is a vibrating system which will make the stick vibrating, and here is a speaker which will help the blind man to get the things noticed in the dark. If there is a wall, then this speaker will be sensing the wall and telling the there is an alert. Yes, sir. And we can donate this stick to any donating corporation, and our company donating corporation also CSR project.
Very nice.
Sir, I want to know that, are you liking the exhibition?
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. And this stick is containing of 3 sensors.
Sir.
Very nice concept. I'll be here.
There are 3 sensors. Lower, medium, and
Second now it is working now. Remote car. Yes. Not remote car. Sir. Hurdle it will turn back.
Good morning, sir. Hi. Good morning, sir. Hi. My name is Triangle. Four sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This side equal. This side and this side equal. Thank you.
Very good.
Hello. I am circle. I am no side and no corner. Thank you, everybody.
Very good.
My name is rectangle. My name is triangle. I am
Bhardwaj.
three corners.
Bhardwaj.
1, 2, 3. I have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Very good.
I am Detor and was I floated to your अमूल मिल्क एंड बढ़ता है खेलता है झूलता उछलता है दौड़ता कभी कभी दौड़ कर आता है आगे आगे बढ़ता है इंडिया अमूल दूध Good morning everyone. My name is Vaidaman. Play a role of person. ओ मेरे दोस्त सुन मेरी बात ओ मेरे दोस्त सुन मेरी बात क्यों न करे हम नई शुरुआत क्यों न करे हम नई शुरुआत पब्लिक जब होती है स्टार्ट पब्लिक जब होती है स्टार्ट गंदा करती है दिन रात गंदा करती है दिन रात अपना घर चमकाते हैं पर सड़क पे रहकर गिराते हैं हम हैं तैयार हम हैं तैयार
Very good. Sharp action. Very nice.
देश भी अपना घर है यार देश भी अपना घर है यार
Very good. अच्छा, very good. Very good. Sharp action.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, we are showing.
Commerce.
Good morning, sir. We are team A of Commerce Department. Representing cross-price effect and cross-income effect on market. Cross-price effect means we change the price of one commodity, change in demand for other. For example, substitute goods. Substitute goods are those goods which are demanded in place of other goods. For example, Maggi and egg. If the price of Yippee is rising, then the demand for the Yippee will fall down. If the price of Maggi will fall down, then demand for the Yippee will fall down as it will become relatively cheaper, establishing the positive price effect in market. Next, complementary goods. Complementary goods are those goods which are demanded together. For example, fuel and power. When the price of fuel will rise, then the demand goes down as it will become more costlier for the consumer to consume. When the price of petrol will fall, then it will lead to increase in demand as it will become more cheaper for the consumer to consume.
Very good. Very good. Demand supply. Demand passes to any. Next. Making next.
Passes to any.
We are going to represent our marketing under which 4 P's parameters stands, product, place and packaging. First we will go through the product. Product is a service or a goods that we target to a branded audience and to make our product attractive we need to focus on the design, quality, packaging, branding and this will be the brand.
Thank you. You have to see all of the things.
Hello sir, good morning. Yes sir. Sir, it is new era of taxation, that is GST. It is the great tax reform in India. It is for one tax, one nation. Sir, GST is an indirect tax paid by the consumer and to protect the producer to avail the versatile in the production. Thank you.
Very good. Next. What is your concept?
Good morning, sir. We are Team B from Commerce Department. We had created poverty as a challenge in which we had shown lack of equality, labor and education rate. We had sourced various equality like child labor, homeless people and great recycling of education.
Okay. Very good. Next. Every block. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay, think of that.
Yeah. What?
Have you heard of the number 15?
1515. Congratulations. Excellent. Okay, very good.
Sir, one more game.
I'll play some other time. What is this today?
सर सोच रहे थे बॉल रखने के लिए बोलते हैं बॉल रखने के लिए सर बोलते हैं
Let's go out.
Very good.
Our project is on the topic of deforestation. You can see here many people cut trees and do deforestation.
Deforestation, very good. Don't cut tree. Okay, what is this today?
This is RS. Good morning, sir. This is RS. Good morning, sir. This is RS respiratory system. When we breathe air, the air goes to trachea.
Very good.
Very good.
What is this today?
This is neuron. It is a type of cell from which we can feel our feelings like if I reach in your hand and you feel pain.
Nervous system is the main.
Sir, it is transport. This is type of motion. This is a circular motion which always moves in a circular path. Such that its distance from any reference point does not change. This is linear motion which always goes in straight line.
This one periodic, very good. This one?
Respiratory system, this pass through the urine. Urine pass through the kidneys.
Okay. This one?
This is future pass.
What is the concept of this? What do you want to say, Wincher? Will be utilized for running the car.
This is a digestive system to digest our food. Esophagus, the tube that food passes through after mouth. Stomach, muscular bag stores food, mixes with mucus.
Okay, thanks. Water cycle. Okay. Vapor, then condense, then water coming back. Very good. What is this today?
So this is visual system, and in this there is an object which always reflect the opposite on the retina through optic nerves it goes to brain, and the brain sees the object correctly, and with the help of this optic lens the both eye are not affected and the both eye can see same and similar, and this optic helps the brain to recognize the object and the people.
Very good. What is this, buddy? Good morning. This is history?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good.
Yes, a democracy model of democracy. Yes.
Who is our president at present?
Draupadi Murmu.
Huh?
Draupadi Murmu.
She belongs to which place?
Odisha, from birth in Odisha and became the governor of Jharkhand.
Good. Next, what is
Jharkhand Mughal Empire.
These are the six powerful king of Mughal Empire. And Babur was the first to establish Mughal Empire in India in 1526.
We have made a project on monarchy versus democracy. We have seen the real difference between this and so we are showing the real difference between monarchy and democracy in this project.
Good morning, sir. So we are showing our project on topic fundamental rights and duty. There are many queries in our country that many people fight on the basis of color, religion, gender, etc. But we are showing that we all should be safe for that secular country. And sir, that is only necessary. People are knowing the rules, but they are not following their own duty as a citizen. Sir, it's Sikhism.
Good morning, sir. This is Stupa at Sarnath. This monument was built to mark the Buddha first taught messages. Buddha taught the life that the life is full of suffering and unhappiness. And this is Asian coins.
No, sir. This is hard for you.
Nice. Very nice.
Sir, can you point us also?
Good, very good.
So good morning, sir. We are the student of class 6B. I, Jayashree, and I, Alka. We are presenting a project on the topic climate change. If we use thermal power station, it requires coals and it burns, then harmful gas will release and carbon dioxide will release. It will cause some disease to us. If we plant trees, then
We must go for plantation of trees.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do it on your birthday.
Thank you very much.
Don't drink chocolate.
A very good morning, sir.
Yes.
Me and my exhibition members. In this project, we have tried to show India's physical features, its climatic condition, and its wildlife vegetation. Through this working model, we are trying to show that how air expands on heating. If I will suppose it's here, and if I will keep it here, then due to the presence of heat inside this, if I will keep it clearly, then we will notice that it will spread inside this container. So this further shows that how it expands on heating. And this is the main procedure how we are able to get water. Mainly in daily life, we used to think that air is just the movement of pressure from high pressure to low pressure. But in this process only we are able to get the water. When the same procedure happens in the Indian Ocean, then air rises up gathering moisture and it travels in the Indian Peninsula region. It's split into the two parts due to the presence of Indian Peninsula region, Bay of Bengal branch and the Arabian Sea branch. And in this region it gets the water to all the northeastern parts, and here it gets the water to all the western parts. Yes, sir. So it's Rajasthan. We have tried to show it by. We are going to explain about how rotation of the earth causes day and night and lunar and solar eclipse. So first, so although we have used the sun, but this is artificial. This is naturally showing the circle of illumination. Sir, the earth is moving. What will be the effect of income in market? Kind of superior. For example,
very big. That's why rotation is like this only. But we are feeling that it is not.
Income is falling down, then demand for that good will fall down.
Sir,
Again, in period
having some questions and would feel grateful to have answers from you.
Sir, inside also the English department. Sir, 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. beautiful word of English.
5 minutes.
It will hardly take you 5 minutes.
Good morning, sir. I welcome you to the beautiful world of English, the language of the world, the language of heart, and the language of millions and millions. This is the language. Welcome to the English exhibition. Welcome to the beautiful world of English. I am Santa Claus. I give gifts to all. I love everyone. Love and love God.
I am Prospero, the real Duke of Milan. I have special magical powers and I want to return to Milan with my daughter Miranda.
Hello, I am Miranda. The only child for a best fellow, Duke for a Milan. I love my father very much. He is my best friend.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
I'm Harry Potter and I am a great wizard. I love my parents, family and friends. I love parents.
I am Hercules. I am the prince of Harry and Ron. I have my great magical powers and I support my friend always. Hello, I am Ron, the friend of Harry. I love.
हमें लगा है आप लोग का लगा यार कुछ देख रहे हो पेपर गाइस दिखाओ वापस दिखाओ
वो मोटर के ये चला
फीडबैक नहीं ले रहे हैं क्या
ना फीडबैक नहीं
भाई कुछ खराब दे देगा
मेरा आर्ट रूम का नहीं किया मैं भी आर्ट रूम का
Any teachers such ways that in which the minimum ये अंदर नहीं जाना है बहुत भीड़ है बाद में that will conduct by the government for the poor people like
Please do take care of our children. This person should be very, very small. No parent is allowed to take their child along with them. The way they have come with the school buses, they will be going back home with the same school buses. There is no excuses and there is no deviation from this rule. Please do take care. Safety is our prime concern. Please do take care.
Everywhere. Oh God, please have some mercy on me. The entire Scotland cannot bring back the lost mental peace. I can't sleep at night. Oh God, pardon me. Please help me. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sherlock Holmes. I am an world's most famous detective in fiction. I am an institution in Python thanks to my tutor.
Hello, I am Shylock, an immortal creation of Shakespeare. I am a shrewd Jew. I hate and I love money.
You want to say something? You are only acting. Okay. Very good. She is in acting.
Sir, hope you enjoyed the exhibition. Here I am with a question and we feel grateful to have answered from you. Which exhibit did you like the most and why?
It is very difficult. Very difficult because all the exhibitions are almost of very high standard, and I am thankful to the teachers of Aditya Birla Public School that they are giving such a high standard of education and practices to all the students, so that the students are able to make such a high standard of models and relating to the real life practices and models. So it is very difficult to decide that measurement. I am leaving it to principal sir, vice principal ma'am and all the teachers of the school. But we really enjoyed. We are really, overwhelmed to see the participation of the students and their creations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You have seen all the exhibitions, girls? Very good.
Only single line.
These children should be given no.
Yes, we are giving, sir. We are giving. All are given, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
अरे बहुत बदमाश है, बहुत बदमाश।
Very good, बेटे।
यार चाहिए। अरे बाबू।
Collect today's gift. All the children should get.
Collect chocolate, बेटा। Collect chocolate.
Take the topic.
Very good. Every child should get gift. Very good, very good.